Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic parts of a cell. So already you know beta cell, it is the basic building block of life. It is the structural and functional unit of life. But a cell is having many parts. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the names of that particular parts which are present in the cell. That different organelles which are present in the cell. Okay. So some parts they are living and some parts they are non-living. Okay. Now when we talk about this first living part, the cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. It is the living part of the cell. And this cell membrane is what? In case of animal cell, it is the outermost membrane. And non-living part is cell wall. And this cell wall, in addition to cell membrane, it is present in only plant cell. So this cell wall, it is a rigid, it is a hard, tough structure which is present outer to the cell membrane in case of only plant cell. Okay. This cell wall, it is made up of a chemical which is known as cellulose. Okay. Now when we talk about the second major component of the cell, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substance which is present inside the cell, and all the metabolic activities or all the reactions they occur in the cytoplasm. Now this cytoplasm, it contains various structures or various bodies which are known as cell organelles. Okay, these are the names of cell organelles, and again you can see endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum, it is present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and it is mainly associated with respiration as well as production of energy. Okay, ribosomes, these are the round bodies which are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, or they can be present freely or they can be scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay, the main function of the ribosomes is to manufacture or is to synthesize proteins, is to make proteins for the cell. Then Golgi body is there, mitochondria is there, lysosomes, centrosomes, plastids. Okay, mitochondria, it is known as the powerhouse of cell. Okay, it generates energy and stores it in the form of chemical, that is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Lysosomes, they are responsible for the intracellular digestion. Okay, that's why lysosomes, they are also known as suicidal bag of cell. Then we have the centrosomes and plastids. Centrosomes, they are responsible for the cell division. They are responsible for the initiation of cell division. They help in the starting of division of cell. Then we have plastids. This plastid, these are the structures which are present only in plant cell, and plastids, they play a very important role in giving color, okay, in storing food, and it also helps in the process of photosynthesis, as plastids, they are of different types: chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Now one important thing to remember here is this centrosome, this structure or this cell organelle is found only in animal cell, and centrosome is absent in plant cell. Similarly, the plastid, they are present only in plant cell and they are absent in case of animal cell. Now when we talk about this non-living part, we have discussed cell wall. Now in the cytoplasm, the structures which are present in the cytoplasm is granules, vacuoles and fat droplets. So the major function of all these three is to store food, is to store water, is to store starch. Okay. Now what are the third important component, that is nucleus. Basically this nucleus, here the living part of this nucleus is nuclear membrane. Again, nuclear membrane is the membrane or the layer which surrounds the nucleus, which is present outer to the nucleus. Okay, these nuclear membranes have pores. Second is nuclei. Okay, then chromatin fibers. So all these structures, they are present inside the nucleus. Then next is beta, this when we talk about non-living part of this nucleus, it is nucleoplasm. Like cytoplasm is there. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance which is present in the cell. In the same way, nucleoplasm is a jelly-like or is the liquid part of the nucleus. So all these are the parts of a cell.